Hello students, now today we will discuss about the female reproductive system. So the female reproductive system, it is having mainly four parts. Number one is vagina, then uterus, ovary and fallopian tube. These are the four main parts. Cervix part is also there. Female reproductive system, the function of female reproductive system is to develop or to produce egg or ovum, and afterwards if egg get fertilized, then to develop the new individual. So first of all we will study about the structure of female reproductive system. So one thing, that female reproductive system, it produces ovum or egg, which are the female gametes. Now, so first of all, number one is ovary. In female, inside the body, two ovaries are there. This is one ovary, this one is the second ovary. So two ovaries are there which are present inside the body. These are generally means round shape, not totally round, but round like structure is there. Okay. And what is the function of ovaries? The ovaries have main function, means these are having some main function. Like ovary is that part, that important part which is responsible for the production of ovum or egg. Second thing, whenever the ovaries they produce the eggs, then they releases the eggs which are received by the finger like structures present over the fallopian tubes. This is also fallopian tube. So the finger like structures over the fallopian tube, they receive the egg. The structure of ovum is quite larger as compared to the sperm, because it stores a little bit amount of food also. Even it is immobile, it is not able to move like the sperms. The sperms are having tail for motion, but it do not have any tail like a structure for motion. So the first function of ovary is to produce the ovum, which are larger as well as single as compared to sperms. Second function of ovary is to produce the hormones like estrogen. Like ovary secretes estrogen hormone as well as progesterone hormone. Hormones. So these hormones are also known as the female sex hormones. These hormones are responsible for the secondary sexual characters in the female individual. Progesterone is responsible for maintaining the pregnancy. It is also called pregnancy hormone. Afterwards, from ovary, the egg move to the fallopian tube. Inside the fallopian tube, the egg will be continuously moving towards the uterus by continuous contraction in the walls of the fallopian tube. So the fallopian tube, two fallopian tube or one pair fallopian tubes are there. Fallopian tube are also known as oviduct. Fallopian tube is also known as oviduct. Second thing is there, ovum, after being released from the ovary, it passes into the oviduct, and inside oviduct only fertilization takes place. So the main function of oviduct is to provide the to help in the phenomena of fertilization, because if the egg will be in the oviduct, only then fertilization will be there. So fertilization takes place in the oviduct. Next one, after from here, when suppose this is the unfertilized egg, okay, or the fertilization may take place in the oviduct. After oviduct, the egg will continuously start moving and it will reach to the uterus. This complete structure is called uterus. Okay, this is inside, this is the cavity of uterus. These are the muscular wall of uterus. Uterus is also known as womb. Womb means गर्भ. So it is also known as the womb. यहीं पे क्या होता है कि जो means after the fertilization, the zygote get implanted over here and it will develop into a baby. Okay, द यूट्रस इज इन्वर्टेड पियर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं तो ये इन्वर्टेड पियर शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर होता है. इसकी वॉल है काफ़ी थिक होती है एज वेल एज मस्कुलर आर ऑल्सो मीन्स इट इज़ मस्कुलर ऑर्गन. लोअर पार्ट होता है यूट्रस का वो नैरो होता है और यहाँ पे ये जो नैरो स्ट्रक्चर होती है इस पार्ट को हम कहते हैं सर्विक्स. इट इज़ कॉल्ड ए सर्विक्स. Then the fourth important part is called vagina. It is also known as the female genital organ. From the vagina only the sperms enter inside the body and then reaches to the fallopian tube to fertilize the ovum. So this is the about the female reproductive system. Students, I hope you understand the female reproductive system. If you are having any problem, then you can ask your doubts.